Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we've got something special for all you keyboard aficionados out there, the Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard. If you're looking for a comfortable and innovative keyboard solution, stick around as we explore its features, design, and functionality. Let's kick things off by introducing the Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard. Designed for computers, laptops, and desktops, this keyboard boasts a unique split keyset design that's all about comfort. It's a modern, black keyboard that's here to revolutionize your typing experience. What sets this keyboard apart is its split ergonomic design. It's crafted to help you position your wrists and forearms in a natural, relaxed position. Say goodbye to uncomfortable typing angles that strain your wrists. Plus, it features a soft cushioned wrist rest, providing extra comfort during those long typing sessions. Setting up the Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard is a breeze. Simply insert the nano USB receiver into your computer, whether it's a desktop or laptop, and you're good to go. No need for extra drivers. It's a plug-and-play solution that ensures you can start typing instantly, with a wireless range of up to 33 feet or 10 meters. This keyboard is all about customization. With its 4 foldable legs, you can adjust it to your preferred typing angle. Whether you're a fan of a flat keyboard or need a bit of elevation, it's got you covered. Plus, it features Windows-dedicated hotkeys for quick access to common functions like volume control, playback, and brightness adjustments. Typing comfort is a top priority, and the Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard delivers. It features whisper-quiet, low-profile keys that provide a satisfying and noiseless typing experience. The keyboard also uses scissors kick construction, ensuring durability with over 3 million continuous key presses. Never worry about constantly changing batteries. This keyboard comes equipped with a built-in rechargeable lead polymer battery, offering an impressive 6-month use on a single charge. That's based on 2 hours of non-stop daily use. Quite impressive. So, there you have it, the Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard. If you're someone who spends hours typing away on their computer, this keyboard is designed with your comfort in mind. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth product reviews. And, as always, if you have any questions or thoughts about this keyboard or any other tech gear, drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more reviews from UK Pro Reviewer. Thanks for joining us today.